Good morning, students. Today, our topic for class 8th in GK is Nobel laureates. My country, my people, my world. So, we'll be discussing about almost 12 people who have received this prestigious award, uh, which is being given annually, and it is being uh, firstly given by Swedish chemist Alfred Nobel, the inventor of dynamite, established the Nobel Prize in Physics, Chemistry, Medicine, Literature, and Peace to be awarded annually without distinction of nationality. Each Nobel Prize is regarded as the most prestigious award in the world. Before discussing about those 12 people who have received these Nobel Prizes, of course, we are proud enough. There are good number of people from our country who have received this prestigious award. But what is Nobel Prize? How it is being given? So, just an introduction or information regarding this Nobel Prize will be first given. The Nobel Prize is a set of annual international awards bestowed in several categories by Swedish and Norwegian institutions in recognition of academic, cultural, and scientific advances. The will of the Swedish chemist, engineer, and industrialist Alfred Nobel established the five Nobel Prizes in 1895. Now, this year, ceremony date is already decided, 10 December 2020. Again, it will be given. Category will be Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences, presented by Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences, Chemistry, Economics, Science, Physics. What does a Nobel laureate mean? Earlier we discussed about Nobel Prize winners of 2018. Today it is a topic that Nobel laureates. What do you mean by Nobel laureate? Awarded for the greatest benefit to mankind. Each prize consists of a medal, diploma, a personal diploma, and a cash reward. A person or organization awarded the Nobel Prize is called the Nobel laureate. The word laureate refers to being signified by the laurel wreath. So, a person or an organization who has received this Nobel Prize, he is being called as Nobel laureate. So, this prize consists of a medal, a personal diploma, and a cash reward. So, these are the three things which are being given to this person who has received this Nobel Prize. Whosoever has received, whether the organization or the individual has received this Nobel Prize, he is being called as Nobel laureate. Now, the second question is, how many Nobel laureates are there after 2019? Total 950 Nobel laureates. Among them, 923 laureates are there and 950 Nobel laureates. It means that 923 laureates means the individual 923 Nobel Prizes have been given, and 27 organizations have been also awarded the Nobel Prizes. That's why 923 laureates and total Nobel laureates are 950. Individual 923 and the organization 27 organizations have received this Nobel Prize. Such as Red Cross Society has received twice, so the total is 950 Nobel laureates. And it has been started in 1901. This counting 950 Nobel laureates is from 1901 to 2019. Of them, 84 are laureates in economic sciences only. So these 950, 84 are from economic sciences only. Who has won three Nobel Prizes or most number of Nobel Prizes? There are only two recipients who have won multiple prizes. The International Committee of the Red Cross has won three times: 1970, 1944, 1963. So, Red Cross Society has received three times Nobel Prize, and the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees has won twice, 1954 and 1981. So, these have received twice, and Red Cross Society has received three times. Now the question is here that who decides Nobel Prize? Of course, Swedish chemist Alfred Nobel has started this, but presently who decides it? To whom it is being given? Of course, there is without the award is being given annually without any distinction of nationality. But who decides it? The Norwegian Nobel Committee is responsible for the selection of eligible candidates and the choice of the Nobel Peace Prize laureates. The committee is composed of 5 members appointed by this body, Norwegian Parliament. So Norwegian Parliament is composing the committee